Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chip designer ARM Holdings gave a fiscal first quarter revenue forecast that beat Wall Street's expectations, but its full-year forecast was below expectations. Shares of ARM fell about 4% in extended trading after the report. Europe's main index was at a record high as investors cheered strong earnings from the likes of beer maker Anheuser-Busch InBev and Germany's Siemens Energy, while mulling the possible timeline of major central bank rate cuts. Payment processing and settlement firm MasterCard has joined hands with major banking institutions in the United States such as Citigroup, Visa and JP Morgan to test distributed ledger technology for banking settlements using tokenization.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's labour cash earnings will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Irish HICP will be released at 10 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.